Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HYLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the nice movement continues. Granted, it's pulled back here a little bit. But overall, really, at least going forward, in my opinion, there's two key general levels to keep an eye on. So in the spirit of just applying the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, I just want to focus on these couple levels, and that way we try to keep this as straightforward as possible. First thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of that line right there. Yes, that level still pertains, but again, from the presentation standpoint and not wanting to risk confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the overarching level to watch from the resistance side of things, actually, let me do this, is all about the pink line up here, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of technical charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So just keep an overarching, level eye on that one. Right now, it's valued at 2261, but I say right now because, again, that is a moving average. So that line is going to move, and therefore the value of it is also going to move. But, as of right now, valued at right around the 2260 mark. But point here being that from the overarching standpoint, keep a close eye on that, resistance area, as that'll be the main level to watch moving forward. And then as far as levels of support, nothing new here to report. Still all about the $19 level right around there being a very important level. And I talked about this quite a bit in the video from Tuesday, but just as a quick recap, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to that level and then continue on down, all of a sudden you'd have the price having gone right back to where it was. And that's just not a sign of true strength, right? Price movements with genuine power, with true strength, are going to make progress forward. So, if the price were to come down here, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point, you'd have lows there. You'd have those lows. You envision those as stair steps. And again, you'd still have that stair step making, progress in the upwards direction. So again, key level of support being right down there around the $19 mark. Key level of resistance being that 200 period moving average. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.